So welcome back. We did finish taking the push rods out, and I'm very, very glad we didn't do it on camera because it was like little metal washes and little rubber washes and a lot to keep track of that I might have messed up if I was busy talking to the camera. So anyway, that's done. We also took off the intake manifold, but that was just a couple bolts from right here. So here we are at the head. We got to take this off so that we can get to the jug. And these bolts are super beefy. Make sure we're in the right direction. One. There's 4. And they're different sizes in the front and the back. So it's 2 matching pairs. I'll show you. So this is the front. They're a little bit smaller. And the rear are a little bit bigger. This isn't super heavy, it just has to be lined up. There's 2 dowels in here. You gotta lift it off the 2 dowels, like that. So you can see here, now we're down to the jugs. This is the piston, and we're gonna work on getting this off in the next video.